Hi! In front of me is TECNO SPARK 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Personalization. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on My Fonts. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up. Following that, select this plus at the top right corner and tap on the best font style for you. I will go with this one. Now hit download at the bottom. Select Apply and confirm your choice in the pop-up by selecting OK. So when I click and go back, I can see that style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, access exactly the same settings. So Personalization and My Fonts, and tap on your default one. Lastly, hit Apply. Then select OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!